Let's go for the creepy doll. It's one of my favourites.
Okay, can't wait.
We're going to go for the base first. So what I'm going to do is take one of these little latex wedges. I'm going to stipple this really crudely. Because, I think it's better if the doll looks more like a bit dirty. Like no one's loved this poor little doll. Now it's your turn.
Oh no.
No, that's good.
God, it looks so ill.
So it's already working its magic. And it's good if you can see little patchy bits as well. Don't worry about blending it in too much because that will really add to the effect. So I'm using a nice big brush, and actually it's good if you smile for me, and that's going to give you that doll sort of cheek.
Okay.
Let's give it a go.
I mean, right now it looks terrifying.
So that's just stage one. So from the brow, and just take it a little bit further out than you normally would do. Your turn.
In the corners?
Yep.
Everywhere.
Feel a little bit stronger.
Okay.
So that's the mapping out done. Now we can start to go in with a little bit more detail and make it look more creepy and menacing.
Okay.
A black pencil. What I want to do is just scribble this black pencil. I'm just going to soften.
All the way across?
All the way across. In fact, the messier the better. That's great.
Yeah?
Yeah, perfect. Looking really, really good. So you want to make the eyes look bigger.
So kind of like where the creases are on your eyes when you smile?
Yeah.
Okay.
White pencil. We're going to go right in there. Try and build that up so it's really quite strong.
I'm starting to look sufficiently terrifying.
Yeah.
You love this, don't you?
I do love it. I'm in my element. Black pencil again. I don't want it to be like a perfect straight line. We want it to be messy. So we'll take some of the black pencil with this brush again. I just want to accentuate and make some of the areas we've worked on a bit more graphic. So you can actually use this just to shape your lip to make it rounder, a little bit more doll-like. So what I'm going to do is just strengthen up this mouth part here, so just to make the black a little bit stronger.
I want my whole face shape is starting to
change.
Yeah.
And we're almost there. Matte red lipstick. Now she's starting to take shape. So just round the bow here. Match some of the black gets in there as well. I think it's going to make that look really good. Fill that in with a little bit of retro matte. I'm going to get you to do that. So lashes.
Okay.
So just flick. Flick.
Yeah.
Over to you.
No.
A little tiny fine crack here. Just add a little bit of this foundation just to enhance the high points of the face. So I want to give this doll a glitter red tear, just coming down on both sides, and then I'm going to make the skin look really, really shiny using the same glitter. A little blob of the glitter in between the lashes. So a little bit of lip gloss on your finger, just a light little touch, just to make her look more plastic.
Oh yeah.
And there we have it. One creepy Halloween doll with a glitter tear.
With a glitter tear.
What do we think?
I love it.
Keep it forever?
I'm terrified.